Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ritu and today we're gonna do this kind of a cool toned makeup look. I tried to make it as cool tone as I could because I don't usually wear cool tone colors. It looks like a little vampy, but I like it. If you guys want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching, and if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys like this video, okay, please give this video a huge thumbs up. I tried to put waves in my hair, but I clearly failed. That's one thing I'm good at. I'm just going to kind of prime with the MAC Prime Plus, Prep and Prime Plus, and I'm just gonna spritz it all over my face, put my bangs, reveal my insecurities. I hope you guys have never opened your mouth while spritzing accidentally, because it does not taste good. I did that and it's it was settled on my lips. I tasted it again. That is all I'm going to do for priming because I don't have anywhere to go.
It's not for me to say.
I'm gonna take one pump on the back of my hand, just a little bit to even out the skin tone, because I'm gonna go in with the concealer anyways. You can use your sponge or whatever you use to blend out. Also, I got this huge zit out of nowhere. My skin has been really purging lately, but that's okay. Some people are blessed with really good skin, some are not, and we shouldn't you know, like, be really insecure about it, because it's okay. It's gonna go on its own. It would heal, and there are bigger problems in life. Just eat good and take care of yourself, honestly, and it would heal. When you heal, the acne would heal on its own. And just don't be very insecure about it and not going out or anything like that, because it's okay. So I'm gonna go into my concealer now, and I'm using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer. This is in the shade medium deep tan. I'm just gonna put this where I need a little bit more coverage, like on my acne spots, and I'm just gonna do my brows in the meantime. And so I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my eyebrow, and I'm gonna like fill in the end, and when I come towards the outer parts, I'm just going to make hair-like strokes. Now I'm gonna blend all of this out. I'm gonna highlight the center of my face now, and for that I'm using the FitMe medium 30, I believe. I'm just gonna put it in the center of my face. I'm actually really liking this product right now. This is like my new favorite. I'm gonna blend all of this out. See, I blend it. I concentrate most of the product here, and I'm just going to take it upwards for that lift. I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep, and it smells like, I don't know, tropical island or something. I don't know how many times I've said this, but instead of applying, I snort this. Please don't snort your products, not nice. When I smell this, I feel like eating it, but that wouldn't be very tasty, so I don't do that. So I'm gonna just chisel out my cheekbones, form my face up, my jawline. Also because my forehead is huge. For the eyes today, I'm going to use this rose gold palette from I Heart Revolution. So I'm going to go first into this lilac-y shade. Can you guys see? this shade right here, this lilac shade. I'll take a little bit and I'm going to pack it all over my crease. So now I'm gonna go into this like a deeper pink, and I'm just going to put this on the like the outer V. After that, I'm gonna go into like a burgundy, not even burgundy, like a plum color. I'm gonna go into that, and I'm gonna deepen my crease further, like the V. I'm gonna do my lower lash line, so I'm gonna go into this shade, and then I'm gonna go into this shade, and then this shade. So this is like my kind of smoky. I cannot go any further than this. This is where I stop. I cannot put on a lot of eyeshadow because my eyes are kind of small, and if I put a lot, it looks like a lot and kind of closes my eyes. So I don't prefer like a lot of like a big eyeshadow look. And yeah, this is like the maximum I would go. I'm gonna go into this rose gold shade, and I'm just going to use my fingers and like put it from the inner to the middle lid, and just doing that opens up my eyes a lot. Now I'm gonna do my Echo Sal. I'm gonna put the same shadow on my lower lash, but if you don't like that, you don't have to put it, obviously. It's just what I like to do. So I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna brown, kind of like a magenta brown shade, and I'm gonna take this in this flat brush, and I'm just going to make a wing line. I'm just gonna use it like a base to the liner, and I'm gonna go into the liner. I'm gonna use this NYX Epic Ink liner. This is in the shade brown. I kind of only do my wing halfway through my eyes, and then just the inner corner. I'm gonna go into this Nyka Get Cheeky blush duo, and this is in Malibu Barbie 03. I'm gonna use the peach. I guess this is the coral shade, and this is peach, but it looks like a pink. So I'm gonna take that, small brush. Now I like to place my blush pretty high. You can put it wherever you like. I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take, I don't know, this shade. I'm gonna take very little, very like teensiest bit, and I'm gonna place it like way in the middle and blend it out. It kind of looks pretty. I like a lot of blush, so that is why I like to do that. And I always use like a double. If this is your first time coming on my channel, I like to get out of my house looking like a clown. I slap on the blush. There is no way that I can ever compensate on my blush. I can do anything else but the blush. And if ever you think your blush is too much, you can just go on and put some highlighter and kind of reduces a little bit on the tip of my nose, making an exclamation mark. Now that I'm all done with the powders, I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. Yep, now that it's all dry, I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara. I do my mascara after setting my face, because if I don't do that, I'm gonna have my mascara all over my face, and nobody wants that. Lash Temptation. I'm gonna go into the Nyka's what is this called here? I don't know, Nyka's lipstick, and this is in the shade Diana. It's like a cool tone brown pink sort of a color all over my lips. It's a really pretty shade. I wanna leave it like that, but y'all know I love my gradient, Now since I did not have a very like a burgundy sort of a color, so I'm gonna use this lip liner from NYX, and it's in the shade, it's like a double, like a lip ombre sort of a thing, so it has a pink color which I would never use in a million years. And oops, this thing came out, and this liner, it's like a nice color. I think it would go pretty well with this, so I'm just gonna use this liner. And that is it for the makeup, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look or enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!